Welcome everyone. Today I am going to start exercise 1.6 of chapter 1 number system. So before starting the exercise, I just want to explain the law of exponents which you have already done in class 8. So let's start. Law of exponents. First is when base are same, powers are different. Here the base are same and powers are different and they are multiplied, then power will be added. When the base are same and power are different, then we will add the powers and power or exponents. Second is when base are same and they are divided, then we will subtract the exponents, we will subtract the power. Second law is when base are same and they are divided, then we will subtract their powers. Third one is power raised to power, we will multiply both of them, and if in any condition if power is raised to power, other power, then we will multiply them. Next is if base are different but powers are same, base are different but powers are same, then we will multiply the base. So result is AB power m. Next condition is any number power 0, or we can call is at a naught or any number, any base having power 0, its value is 1. Next is A inverse. It means we have to do the reciprocal of it, or we can write it in the form of 1 upon A. Now these are the some basics law. By using these law we will start I am going to start the exercise 1.6. Hope so these are clear to you. Now let's start the exercise. First question, find. First part is find 64 raised to power 1 by 2. We have to find 64 raised to power 1 by 2. 64. Now take the LCM of 64 here. Now this is 2 power 6. So instead of 64 we can write 2 power 6. By using this law of exponent, using the third law, we can multiply both power. 6 into 1 by 2. Now cancel it. 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3. It means we have to write 2 3 times. So this is the result for the part 1. Again I am repeating here 64 raised to power 1 by 2. Take the LCM of 64. This is the 2 power 6, and we know it very well. When a base is multiplied, a base has the 2 powers, 2 exponent, then we can multiply it. So power 6 into multiply is by the power 1 by 2. 6 is cancelled by 2. 2 raised to power 3. Now 2 up to 3 times becomes the 8. Now second part. Let's see its second part, that is 32 power 1 by 5. 32 raised to 1 by 5. 32 we can see from here. 32 is 2 power 5. Instead of 32 we can write 2 power 5 into 1 by 5. So 2 5 into 1 by 5, we can multiply both the exponents. 5 is cancelled by 5. 2 power 1. So result is 2. Hope so it's clear to you. Third part is 125 raised to power 1 by 3. 125 raised to power 1 by 3. 25 we can write it as 5 power 3. Let's take its LCM. 125 divided by 5. We can write 125 as 5 raised to power 3 into 1 by 3. Multiply both the exponents, cancel 3 by 3, result is 5 power 1, that is 5. So this is the result for the part 3. Now second question. In question number second, we have 4 parts. Second, find, first is 9 raised to power 3 by 2. First part is 9 raised to power 3 by 2. So 9 we can write as 3 power 2, 3 by 2. Here we can multiply both the exponents. 2 is cancelled by 2, 3 power 3. So multiply 3 up to 3 times, result is 27. Now this is the solution for the part 1. Part 2 is 32 power 32 raised to 2 by 5. 32 we can write it as 2 power 5, 2 by 5. Now in next step multiply both the exponents. You know it very well. In previous question we have already done by taking the LCM. 32 is 2 raised to power 5 into 2 by 5. So by using the law of exponents, multiply both the powers, multiply both the exponents. 5 is cancelled by 5, 2 power 2. It means 2 is multiplied 2 times here, 2 into 2, 4. So our answer is 4. Third part is 16 raised to power 3 by 4. 16 raised to power 3 by 4. We can write 16 as 2 power 4 into 3 by 4. 16 can be write as 2 raised to power 4 because when we will multiply 2 up to 4 times, the result is 16. So multiply the exponents here. 4 into 3 by 4. 4 is cancelled by 4. 2 raised to power 3. It means we have to multiply 2 up to 3 times. The result is 8 here. Fourth one is 125 inverse 1 by 3. 125 raised to power 1 by 3. So simply we will do the reciprocal. Instead of 125 we can write it as 1 upon 125 raised to power 1 by 3. Because inverse indicate us to do the reciprocal. 125 we can write it as 5 power 3 into 1 by 3. 5. 3 into 1 by 3. 3 is cancelled by 3. The result is 5 here. Now this is the result for the all 4 parts of the question 2. In 4th question you can see we have applied the same property. That is when exponent has another exponent, we can multiply both of them. Now question 3 is simplify. First part is 2 power 2 by 3 into 2 raised to power 1 by 5. Here you can see we can apply the first property, first law of exponent. If a power m and a power n, then we have to add the powers. Here you can see base are same, powers are different. So we will apply the first law of exponent, that is 2 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Now take the LCM of 3 and 5. This is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 to the 10. Now solve. You have to solve this equation. 5 is divided by 15. That is 3. 3 is multiplied by 1. 3. 2 raised to power. This is 13, not 10. Correct it. Now again I am repeating this question. Here see the statement 2 raised to power 2 by 3 and 2 raised to power 1 by 5. You can see base are same here but power are different. So we will use this law of exponent. When base are same and powers are different and they are multiplied, base are multiplied, then we will add the power. Same here, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Now solve it by taking the LCM. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Divide 15 by 3, 5 2s are 10. Similarly, 15 divided by 5 is 3 and 3 1s are 3. Now add them. 10 plus 3, 13 by 15. So result is 2 raised to power upon 15. Now, second question. Second part. Second is 1 upon 3 raised to power 3 into 7. 1 upon 3 raised to power 3 whole power 7. So, we can do it by the two methods, two ways. First is the 1 upon 3 into 3 multiplied by 7. We can write it as 3 into 21 or 3 by taking the inverse. By taking the reciprocal of 3, we can write it in the inverse form, that is 3 raised to power minus 21, or you can do it by this 1 upon 3 raised to power 3 whole power is 7. Now take the reciprocal for this. So this 3 will become the inverse, power will become inverse, multiply by 7. 3 is 3 raised to power minus 21. Both are correct. You can do any method. Now third is 11 power 1 by 2 upon 1 by 4. Here you can see the statement. Base are same, powers are different, and terms are in the division form. Okay, so we will apply a power m divided by a power n, that is a power m and n. In this case, powers are same, but they are in the division form. So we will subtract the exponents. Let's see it. 11 raised to power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Now take the LCM. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. 4. Now 4 is divided by 2. 2 1 are 2. 11 raised to power 1 by 4. This is the result for the part 3. Hope so it's clear to you. This is the we have applied here second law of exponent. Then base are same, powers are different, and they are in the division form. So we will subtract the power. Now fourth one is fourth part. That is very simple. You can easily do it if you know law of exponent. You can easily do these questions. Here you can see base are different but powers are same. You can see it here. Both 7 raised to power 1 by 2, 8 raised to power 1 by 2. It means A power m, B power n. And we know it very well. When base are different and powers are same, then we will multiply the base. So result become AB power m. So 7 into 8 power 1 by 2, 56 raised to power 1 by 2. This is the answer for the fourth part. Hope so it's clear to you. Thank you.